Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Rosemary back again with another awesome video. If you're new here, hi! Please don't forget to subscribe to join the fam. And if you're returning, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to revamp your old wig. So stay tuned and let's get right into this video. First things first, I'm going to use my paddle brush to detangle this hair just like I'm doing. You're going to comb it very thoroughly, so when it gets inside the water, it won't tangle any further. This hair is not that dirty, but my client needed me to revamp it, so I just decided to film it for you guys. Well done. Next step, I'm going to be using my xsmax shampoo and I'm going to be pouring it in my bucket. You can use your sink, whichever one is convenient for you. Next, I'm going to be pouring in my very hot water. Let this water boil very well. Then you're going to dip your hair gradually like I'm doing. After that, I'll leave it in that water for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'll be back. So this is 15 minutes later. I just got rid of that water and I'm pouring my cold water and adding more shampoo to start washing. Just watch what I'm doing. There's no need for me to explain it. It's self-explanatory. So while you're washing, please try to avoid squeezing the hair. You can see me doing. I'm gently washing it. I'm not squeezing it. And as you wash, try not to squeeze the closure part, because when that part tangles, it's really hard to comb it. So gently wash the hair like I'm doing. Don't forget to wash the cap itself and the closure part. As you can see what I'm doing. Next, I'll be rinsing with a room temperature water. While rinsing, please try not to squeeze the hair too much. Just rinse gently and squeeze out the excess water gently too. Next, I'll be using my keratin treatment milk on the hair. You want to be generous with this product. The more the better. So you're just going to take the right amount and apply it generously on the hair like I'm doing so. Then I'll use my paddle brush to gently comb the hair from the tip to evenly distribute the product on the hair. be gently folding the hair and putting it in a plastic bag for 40 minutes, and we'll be back. We're going to take out the hair and rinse out this hair milk from this nylon because we're going to be using it again. So I like rinsing out the product before I use the nylon again. This is totally optional, but it's the best way. Then I'll be using my cold water again to rinse the hair and gently squeeze the hair, just like I said before. Next step, I'll be using my Tresemme conditioner in Moisture Rich, and I'll be using a generous amount again. So you need to be generous with your product if you want effective results. You need to use a generous amount, and you're going to do the same step like I did with the hair milk. After that, we're going to be placing it back in a plastic bag for 24 hours, and I'll see you guys then. After that, we're going to be air drying. No form of heat or artificial air. You just need to air dry. So this is what it looks like 2 days later without any product. Look at that shine, guys. So here I finished styling and I've finished using all my products. There's a video on how to style your straight wigs. I'm definitely going to link it in the description box so you can refer to that and see the products I use while styling my hair. And yeah, guys, look at that hair. Look at that. I hope this tutorial was really helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and click that notification bell to get notified each time I post. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.